Chapter 13. Fuels we use. As all living things need to eat food to get energy to work and play. Similarly, most of the vehicles need energy to run. From where do they get this energy? Let us find out. What fuels are? The fuel refers to a substance that burns in air to release heat and energy. The process through which a fuel is changed into energy is known as combustion. For example, petrol, diesel, kerosene, CNG, LPG and coal etc. Fuel is must for running vehicles, as they depend on it for movement. It is also used for cooking, food and many other purposes. Fuels are generally classified into two types: fossil fuels and alternative fuels. What fossil fuels are? They are formed from the remains of dead plants and animals that got buried under the earth millions of years ago. For example, coal, petroleum and natural gas etc. They occur naturally. These are available in a limited quantity. So, they are exhaustible resources. It is because we cannot create them if we use up them completely. These are called non-renewable resources. Petroleum. Petroleum is also a valuable natural resource. Petroleum was formed from the remains of dead plants and animals that got buried under the sea millions of years ago. These remains were subjected to high pressure and temperature. They got compressed to form petroleum. It is obtained by drilling holes. These holes are called oil wells. The area where oil is found is called an oil field. The main oil-producing centers in India are Mumbai High, Digboi, Kambai, Ankaleshwar and Sibsagar. It is a dark-colored thick crude oil which is found deep underground. It is also called black gold. It is taken to oil refineries. India has many oil refineries. Here, crude mineral oil is refined to produce petrol, diesel, kerosene and mobile oil. These are used as fuel in cars, buses, ships and aeroplanes. Diesel is used in buses, trucks, ships, motorboats and tractors. Petrol is used as fuel in most of the cars and in two-wheelers. A special type of refined kerosene called aviation turbine fuel is used as fuel in aircrafts. Coal. Coal is a non-renewable source of energy. It is found in solid form. It is used to run steam engines and in factories and as a fuel for cooking, heating and for generating electricity. LT is found deep inside the earth and is obtained by digging. The process of obtaining coal is called coal mining. Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal and Chhattisgarh are rich in coal. The main coal mining centers are Jharia, Raniganj, Korba, Bokaro, Dhanbad and Neyveli, etc. Natural gas. Natural gas is found above the layers of petroleum deposits due to its lighter density compared to oils. It is also used as a fuel as liquefied petroleum gas LPG and as compressed natural gas CNG. LPG and PNG are used as fuels in our homes for cooking food. In our country, CNG is commonly used as a fuel in buses, autorickshaws and cars. It is cheaper than other fuels. It is often considered a green fuel as it leads to less air pollution. CNG is directly supplied from the gas fields through pipelines. Such a network of pipelines exists in Vadodara and some parts of Delhi. Alternate fuels. Across globe the scientists are doing a continuous research also to find alternatives to fossil fuels. Such materials other than fossil fuels that can be used as fuel are called alternate fuels. Some alternate sources of fuel for vehicles are mentioned below. Liquefied hydrogen is used as fuel in spacecrafts. Alcohol, obtained by fermenting sugarcane, is used to run cars in Brazil. In many European countries, biodiesel is used to run vehicles. It is made from vegetable oil and animal fat. Electricity is used to run trains, metro rails, trams and cable cars etc. Cost of fuels. Non-renewable fuels with their limited supply and high demand tend to be expensive. However, the price of all fuels is not the same. CNG and diesel are cheaper than petrol, While aviation turbine fuel is very expensive, biofuels are much costlier than fossil fuels. Therefore, they are less popular.